How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 72 Chevelle SS done in a graphite metallic. Cool color on the car. It's the original grille, headlight bezels, all in very good condition. It's got new front bumper on it. The car is an all original body panel car. It's had the same owner for 20 plus years. Car's real straight down the sides. Got a set of 18-inch US mags. Goes real good with the color. It's just a good looking car. All the body fitments real nice on the car. Got re-chrome rear bumper on it. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a 383 in it. It's all been professionally built. Gentleman out of Roush, works for Roush, did the motor for the gentleman. It's got Phytech fuel injection. It's a power four-wheel disc, power steering. It's got QA1 tubular front suspension with fully adjustable coilovers. It's also got the QA1 rear suspension with coilovers as well, rear sway bar. It's got the rear disc. Interior is all real good condition in it. A lot of it is the original, some of it's been redone. Headliner's real nice. Got your front and rear seat belts. Get sport wheel. Trunk's all been nicely upholstered. There's a whole notebook binder full of paperwork on the car. So it's just a cool car. It's got a Dakota Digital dash in it, AM FM CD stereo with iPod capability, original center console and correct shifter. All the jams, everything look real nice on the car. Again, it's a fuel injected. It's got Phytech fuel injection, aluminum radiator and everything, all the billet hood hinges. It's got LED headlights and tail lights. It's got a set of electric cutouts in the exhaust. Good sound car right there. It's got full exhaust all the way out the back. Nice posi rear. The LED tail lights. Backup lights, everything works on the car. Got a rear sway bar and it's set up. This is an excellent cruiser, man. Good looking stance. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.